Hi, Ashton here at Lancaster Honda. I'm the internet specialist here. Today I'll be showing you this Jazz 1.3 SE in a really lovely blue color. Came off on a really nice customer. We sold it from brand new. Start off with, we got these automatic headlights, got front daytime running lights down there, front and rear parking sensors. It's a really nice color, especially in the sun. Got 15-inch alloys, which is nice. In this video I'll be walking around the car. I'm showing you any damage or any scratches or anything done on this car. The second alloy there, so far really nice on the driver's side. No scratches, no damage at all. We've got rear parking sensors there on the bumper. Got this really nice sportier bumper. I'll show you the boot space on this car. Really lovely boot space. The seats to fold down, they're magic seats. A 60/40 split satin. Storage space under here, really nice. It's a third alloy there, which is nice and lovely. Can't fall anywhere on the car. So yeah, the previous owner has taken really care of it. I'll show you these magic seats. So yeah, fabric interior. So all you have to do is just lock it. Here we go. Go all the way up, all the way down, which is nice and handy. You can put your house plants in there for all the ladies out there. So yeah, rather than the car, I'll jump in and I'll show you the interior, how many miles it's got. Got the front driver's side automatic window, the rest rear electric. We do have folding mirrors on this car. There we go, nice walking. So you got vehicle stability control, parking sensors, lane departure warning, and your headlight adjustability down there. Cup holders down there, more storage space down there, which is nice. Got multifunction steering wheel. On the left we got Bluetooth handsfree function and your infotainment settings down here. On the right you got your cruise control, your speedometer, your trip computer, and the car's done 30,636 miles, which is nothing. You got your automatic headlights up here, auto wipers, your touchscreen infotainment with air condition. At the moment cooling off in this lovely weather. So yeah, so you do have your telephone down there, Bluetooth, DAB, FM. Just plug it down there, HDMI and 12-volt socket. Couple of cup holders there. Start stop in a 6-speed manual gearbox with the actual parking brake. So yeah, as you can see. So yeah, so the car's here with us. We'll leave it minimum 9 months of MOT and service. Feel free to get in touch with our sales team if you want to know more about this car. Also do like and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any future uploads from us. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.